When you build an online form, almost all traditional form builder tools display all the details of the fields together. This can be distracting, considering they have a lot of details. Since you don't need to check many details from time to time, they tend to be in your line of sight. Especially when you build a larger form with a lot of pages, this can be a total pain, especially if the traditional form builder becomes slow and jumpy because of the slow interface. The FormCan form builder simplifies the form builder by hiding unnecessary information out of your site. Everything is visible at a glance. You can easily control your form no matter how big your form is, and no matter how many pages it has. However, simplicity does not mean a lack of functionality. FormCan offers plenty of options on the fields. For example, here in a text field, you can set it up as a different subtype, such as a date picker or an email field. You can also set up different ways to initialize text fields, such as pre-populating them with URL parameters or an auto-increase value. Not only that, in FormCan, you can build complex logic to enhance your forms. As you build your logic, you can use the insight model to understand how your logic works easily. Let's go back to the traditional form builders. Most of them claim that their form builders are so-called what you see is what you get editors. However, this is not the case as they have a preview feature. For their preview feature, you always need to check what the final form will look like by clicking the preview button. After you modify your form, you have to click on the preview again and again just to check what it will look like. In the case of FormCan, we provide a creative live preview feature to solve these problems. When you build your form, just open the preview window to keep track. You don't have to close it. And when you make any changes on the builder, your changes are immediately reflected on the preview form. As you can see, the preview form is always displayed as your final form, so you don't have to click on the preview form again and again. Aside from simplifying the form builder, you can always check out every detail instantly in the live preview mode with FormCan. Finally, let's talk about the price. Everyone is concerned about how much they pay and whether it's worth it or not. The traditional service providers always have different plans, such as bronze, silver, basic, or premium. Regardless of the plan name, you need to estimate your usage and pay upfront. For us in FormCan, we use a pay-as-you-go pricing model. This means that you only pay for the services that you use. For example, if you only used one form this month and got about 100 submissions, you would only pay $2.10. If next month is your peak month and you use 10 forms and get 1,000 submissions, the pricing will be $16.20. And the month after that, let's say your published forms are reduced to 2, then you will have to pay only $5. With FormCan, you can save up to 10 times more than your usual form cost and build forms as you've never done before. Reimagine your form building experience today with FormCan. Try it for free.